So I'm going to demonstrate here using this $6 4-foot snake here to unclog a toilet. So let me show you what's wrong with my toilet here. I'm going to flush the toilet. And you'll notice it drains very slowly. It's going to go all the way up. And luckily it's not going to overflow onto the floor. Over 30 to 40 seconds it's going to drain all the way and empty out. What the snake does is it goes through this area here, down and over and right under to where sort of the wax ring is that connects to the drain on the floor. So you notice there I have a bunch of metal scratch marks, and that's because I used this snake improperly. And let me show you how to use it properly so you could avoid those scratch marks. So this $6 snake comes like this when you buy it. There's the handle here, and then there's this actual plastic protective sleeve, and that's very important of how you actually use it without scratching your porcelain toilet. So you don't want to just stick this into your toilet. What you want to do is you want to push the sleeve. So I'm going to push this entire sleeve here all the way down to the bottom where that twisty hook is, and now I want to insert it into my toilet. So when I insert it into my toilet this way, you'll notice now the scratches are not revealed. And now the way to actually use the snake is to hold this firm, hold the protective plastic sleeve firm, and then start pushing, you know, using the handle here. So I have the handle here, using the handle, holding this firm and pushing the snake down. So you see I'm pushing the snake down. And there's two ways to do it to clear the clog. You could push it up and down like this. So you could push the clog up and down like this. And let me show you a better angle. You know, like that. Or you could do it as you're twisting it. So you could twist it and push it back and forth simultaneously, clearing the clog. Now you might have to do this for 10 or 15 minutes. So that is the proper way to do it without having those scratch marks. So I'm going to flush the toilet. And you can see it finally drains like normal. So sometimes when you push it'll get stuck. You just have to rotate it. So I just want to make sure that everything is clear. So I'm just doing it a couple of more times. Now to remove the snake, I still want to protect my porcelain from scratching up from the metal. So I'm just going to pull this all the way up, you know, twisting it and loosening it. But remember to keep this plastic protective sleeve all the way. So I've retracted the entire snake, and now I'm going to pull it out. And you know, thank God there's no crud or crap all over this. So I'm using a normal scrubber, just using normal toilet bowl cleaner and a scrubbing brush here. I was able to remove nearly all of the scuff marks, not all of them, but most of them. So the toilet bowl looks a little bit better now from the scuff marks. And that's really it. I hope this helped, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.